Hi everybody, Jeremy here from Video Editor Studio, and today I'm going to show you how to remove a green screen directly from the edit page in Davinci Resolve 17. Let's check it out.
Improve your video and speed up your workflow by using easy-to-use drag-and-drop templates made specifically for Davinci Resolve. Check it out on our website, videoeditorstudio.com.
Alright, so we are in Davinci Resolve 17 right now. We are on the edit page, and with the Davinci Resolve 17 update, there is a brand new feature directly from the edit page, and now we can directly from the edit page remove a green screen. I'm gonna show you that right now. In my timeline, I have a girl on a green screen and I want to put her in front of the beach. So we're gonna do that right now. I'm gonna go to my effect library right there. And as you can see, I'm just gonna tap keyer, and here is the 3D keyer. It's on Open FX. So I'm just gonna take the 3D keyer and drag it in the timeline on my clip right there. Then I'm just gonna go to Effect to show up the 3D keyer so I can use it. And just be aware that here down there, you will need to switch to Open FX overlay so you can see the actual effect happening. So right now we're just gonna take the eyedropper and click on it, and here we go. It already removed a lot of things, but as you can see, there is still a lot of green on the corner and around her. So what we're gonna do right now, we're just gonna be a bit more selective. So we're gonna take the eyedropper plus, and we're gonna draw a line around to remove the green. And as you can see, there is a lot more green that is removed. Pretty much all the green left. There is still a tiny bit if we zoom in on the edges, and to make that a bit cleaner, we're just gonna tick that box, dispel, and here we go. We got something that is way cleaner really quickly. And here you go, that's how you remove a green screen from the edit page with Davinci Resolve 17. I hope that was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more video about Davinci Resolve. See you in the next one.
Improve your video and speed up your workflow by using easy-to-use drag-and-drop templates made specifically for Davinci Resolve. Check it out on our website, videoeditorstudio.com.